So my name's Dan Hancox and I'm the Business Support Manager at Russell Roof Tiles, and I'm responsible for the injection moulding side of the business as well as sustainability. So we started with Intouch in January of this year, and we initially chose the system to gather specific data relating to machines, tooling and shift patterns with a view to help us make better strategic business purchasing decisions for machinery going forward. One of the really good features of the cloud-based system for us has been that we've been able to access it remotely and on handheld devices, which has meant that management on the shop floor haven't got to be at a specific terminal when they're reviewing or making changes to the production plan. The first major benefit we saw with Intouch was that we were able to consolidate our shift patterns and reduce our working hours, but crucially we were also able to maintain our operational efficiency and machine output. So since implementing the system, we've been able to take our operating efficiency on the machines from around 70% up to over 90% across 9 of our 12 machines. So one of the other benefits of installing the system was that we were able to delay a strategic purchasing decision for one of the new machines. We realised that we didn't have to purchase that machine quite as early as we perhaps thought, and so we were able to save cash within the business and purchase that machine at a later date. To make sure everyone's properly trained to use the system, we used the onboarding session with Intouch, which was really useful and really helpful. Myself and another colleague were initially trained up, and from there we were able to cascade that across the rest of the team. So the Intouch team have been really helpful throughout, specifically working with the support team. Any issues that we've had, we've been able to get in touch very quickly, and all issues have normally been resolved within 24 hours. If there's anything that couldn't be resolved that quickly, we've been able to go ahead and log a ticket and get that issue resolved, of which there have been very few. The monthly reports for OEE have also been really helpful to help drive targeted improvements on the shop floor. So one of the features that we found most useful was being able to log downtime retrospectively and also adding comments. That enabled us to be able to analyse different issues towards the end of the month and find out exactly what had gone wrong and root cause analysis. And that also led to the benefit of being able to maintain a better critical spares list. We're more aware now of what the specific issues are and what the maintenance spares required to fix those issues are. Whereas when we were working on paper-based systems previously, that data was harder to gather and keep in one place. So we look forward to working with Intouch going forward as we continue to expand our business. We also want to integrate with the ERP module and to look at the energy costs module that is available with the system as well to help drive sustainability and energy efficiencies as part of our sustainability strategy.